Okay guys, this is topic 15.3, and you're going to just need your notes and your pencil. Our job here today is to use variables and replace them with numerals in order to solve the equation. Remember, variables means letters and numerals is numbers. Equation's a math problem with an equal sign in it. So it's topic 15.3, patterns and equations. Remember we did some before in 15.2, and these just more of them. So you can use Roman numeral 3, and we need to understand the order to solving two-step equations. We did that a couple days ago. So in order to do that, we first have to review topic 15.1, which we did a couple days ago. We need to remember when we have two-step equations, like this one is, 2 steps in order to solve, we need to get rid of what is farthest away from the variable first. So remember, I have my equal sign. My equal sign, remember, is the wall. So you're only going to look at one side of the wall, the side of the wall that has the variable, the unknown. We're trying to figure it out. We want to get rid of what is farther away first. Is that multiplying 2 farther away from the x, or is the 8 farther away? Well, the 8 is farther away, so we're going to get rid of that first. How do we get rid of a minus 8? We add 8. So since I added 8 to this side of the wall, because of the laws of equality, I need to add 8 to this side of the wall. So now my problem says 68 is equal to 2 times x. Now we just have a one-step equation. We need to know what x is, so we need to get rid of our multiplying 2. Remember this? How do we get rid of multiplying 2? We divide 2. Divide here and here, and we're going to get 34. X equals 34. So that's review. So now let's get down to today's problem. This is what they're going to look like today. We're going to be solving patterns, and they're going to give you 2 ways. They're going to give you a block of numbers, and then they're going to give you the equation. And some of you are going to want to use your block of numbers and just figure out the pattern and fill it in. That will work a couple times, but then when they get more involved, it won't work. So let's just learn how to do it correctly. So my math problem says P equals 6 times R plus 2. And in my chart, they give me a bunch of different numbers for what R equals. Teachers love these because it looks like I just assigned you one problem, but you actually have to do it 4 times. So I look awesome that I only give you one problem, but it's really 4. Ha ha ha. So first thing I do is I replace my R with the number it gave me. It tells me that R is 5. Now what is this 6 doing to this R? It's multiplying. So we're going to replace our R with 5. It's going to be a multiplying 5. And according to the order of operations, we're going to multiply first. 6 times 5 is 30. And 30 plus 2 is 32. And that's how we got P equals 32 right here. So now we're going to do it again, but this time we're going to use the 6. So now I'm going to replace it with a 6. 6 times 6 is 36. And 36 plus 2 is 38. So now we're going to replace it with a 7. 6 times 7 is 42, and 42 plus 2 is a 44. But now it wants me to jump ahead and replace it with a 10. 6 times 10 is 60, and 60 plus 2 is 62. That's one type. Another type you're going to see today is when you're going to be multiplying by fractions. So first it says that x equals 10, so I'm going to replace my x with a 10. So it's a multiplying 10, so it's 10 over 1. So we're going to do a little cross canceling. 2 goes into 2 one time, and 2 goes into 10 5 times. 1 times 5 is 5. And 5 minus 3 is 2. So now we're going to do it again. I'm going to erase some stuff with my handy dandy finger. Now we're going to do it again. This time I'm going to replace my x with a multiplying 18. Again, I can cross cancel. 1 times 9 is 9, and 9 minus 3 is 6. Let's do it one more time with the 24. We're going to cross cancel. 1 times 2 is 12. And 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay, starting to see this? Cool. So let's look at this next type. Now it says B equals A divided by 3. Remember, fractions are just unfinished division signs. So A divided by 3 plus 1. So I'm going to replace my A with 0. What is 0 divided by 3? It's 0. And 0 plus 1 is 1. I'm going to do the problem again, but now I'm going to replace my a with 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Now I'm going to replace my a with 6. Oh, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. Okay. The last type here looks pretty complicated. X plus 1 and 2/10 plus 3 multiplying a w minus 1. But all you need to do is follow the order of operations. So first I'm going to replace my w with 4. Now according to the order of operations, first we do the parentheses. So what is 4 minus 1? 4 minus 1 is a 3. I'm just writing the rest of my problem. Now should we add or should we multiply? We should multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. And 1 and 2/10 plus 9 is going to be 10 and 2/10. I'm going to do one more, and then you're going to try this one. So now this time I'm going to replace my w with 5. 5 minus 1 is a 4. I rewrite the rest of my problem. 3 times 4 is 12. And 1 and 2/10 plus 12 is going to be 13 and 2/10. So I want you to put the video on pause, and I want you guys to try 10. Okay, so we're trying 10. Let's see if you get the same answer as me. 10 minus 1 is 9. It's a multiplying 9. Let me rewrite my problem. 3 times 9 is 27. And 27 plus 1 and 2/10 is 28 and 2/10. That's what you should have gotten right here. Okay, I'll see you later.